California is at a tipping point. Every year, wildfires grow larger, hotter, and deadlier. These flames don't just burn, they consume entire communities, disrupt ecosystems, and challenge our way of life. But why? Why has California become the epicenter of these fiery disasters? From scorching droughts to relentless winds, the answers lie in the intersection of climate, geography, and human activity. In this video, we'll explore the science behind wildfires, the impact of climate change, and the steps we can take to mitigate this crisis. From advanced technology to community resilience, the solutions are within reach, but only if we act now. Before exploring California's wildfires, let's first understand wildfires themselves. A wildfire is an uncontrolled fire occurring in forests, grasslands, or agricultural fields, often spreading rapidly due to natural elements. At the core of any fire lies the fire triangle: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Without any one of these, the fire ceases to exist. Heat originates from ignition sources like lightning, power lines, or human activities. Fuel is the surrounding vegetation, including dry leaves, shrubs, and trees, which feed the flames. Oxygen, abundant in the atmosphere, completes the triangle. When these elements align, wildfires ignite and can quickly grow, spreading miles within hours by leaping between patches of vegetation. Wildfires are especially dangerous due to their unpredictability. Factors like terrain, weather, and time of day influence their behavior. For instance, fires move faster uphill and are intensified by wind, which can fan flames and create firestorms. What sets California's wildfires apart? Beyond their size, California's unique climate and geography make them particularly devastating. Dry vegetation, prolonged droughts, high winds, and hot temperatures create perfect conditions for large-scale, destructive fires. Understanding these dynamics raises crucial questions. Why are California's wildfires so severe, and what measures can help mitigate their impact? Let's examine why California faces such intense blazes. The state's climate and geography create a perfect storm for wildfires, turning small sparks into catastrophic infernos. Drought is a major factor. California frequently experiences prolonged dry spells, leaving vegetation parched and highly flammable. This dry landscape acts as a tinderbox, waiting for ignition. Adding to this is California's Mediterranean climate, with hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. By summer, vegetation has lost moisture, and high temperatures increase fire risks. Winds amplify the danger. The powerful Santa Ana winds in Southern California and Diablo winds in the north can reach speeds of 80 miles per hour, carrying embers across vast areas. These winds not only spread fires rapidly but also complicate firefighting efforts, making the flames unpredictable and harder to control. Geography adds to the challenge. Fires climb California's mountains with alarming speed, as heat rises and accelerates flames uphill. The state's diverse terrain, dense forests, dry grasslands, and brushy chaparral, offers abundant fuel, creating massive firestorms when ignited. And there's a final, alarming factor: climate change. Is it intensifying these conditions? The answer may be more unsettling than we realize. Point to climate change as a major driver. Climate change isn't just about rising temperatures, it's reshaping our entire environment. Higher temperatures dry out soil and vegetation, creating kindling for fires. Heat waves exacerbate this, and California's wildfire season has lengthened by 75 days since the 1970s. Fires are now not only more frequent but also far more intense. One key factor is the warming atmosphere, which accelerates moisture evaporation, leaving vegetation dry and flammable. Rainfall patterns are also shifting. Unpredictable rain leads to bursts of vegetation growth, followed by droughts that turn this growth into fuel. Stronger winds, another byproduct of climate change, are further complicating the situation. Winds in California are becoming faster and more frequent, spreading flames across larger areas and making firefighting efforts increasingly difficult. The future looks grim. By 2050, the area burned by wildfires in California could increase by 50%, leading to larger, longer-lasting fires and greater risks to lives and property. Can we still curb climate change's impact? And how can human actions play a role in protecting the environment while battling these deadly fires? Let's explore this further. With California wildfires growing increasingly destructive, can we prevent them or at least reduce their impact? Fire prevention begins with land management. Controlled burns, carefully managed by experts, remove excess dry vegetation, reducing fuel for wildfires. While counterintuitive, these burns are crucial and are conducted during safer seasons. Fire breaks, cleared areas without vegetation, act as barriers, slowing fire spread and aiding containment. However, these measures aren't foolproof. Strengthening fire-resistant infrastructure is another critical strategy. Building homes with non-combustible materials, such as fireproof roofing and siding, and maintaining defensible spaces around properties by clearing dead vegetation and pruning trees, can save neighborhoods. Technology also plays a vital role. Drones, satellite imagery, and advanced modeling systems detect wildfires early and predict their behavior, enabling faster, more effective responses. Public awareness remains one of the most powerful tools. Communities are adopting fire safety guidelines, encouraging emergency evacuation plans, and promoting fire-resistant landscaping. Community involvement is essential to reducing wildfire risks. Despite these efforts, can we ever completely stop wildfires once they ignite? Or is managing their impact the best we can hope for? These fires aren't just a local issue, they're a global one. Climate change continues to fuel more intense, frequent, and unpredictable wildfires. But with knowledge, collaboration, and decisive action, we can minimize their devastating impacts. Now, the responsibility is ours. Let's not wait for the next disaster to strike. Wherever you live, think about how you can contribute to reducing wildfire risks. Small actions, multiplied across communities, can make an enormous difference. If we stand together, work smarter, and act with urgency, we can shape a future where wildfires are less destructive and less frequent. The future of wildfire management doesn't rest with experts alone. It belongs to all of us. Let's adapt, protect our planet, and build a safer tomorrow.